Would you believe me if I told you that you never have to buy tomato seedlings again? Most people have no idea that tomatoes can be propagated this easily. Watch till the end to discover this game-changing method. This method is so simple yet incredibly effective. Your garden will be overflowing with tomatoes in no time. Let's dive right in. First, select a ripe, healthy tomato, preferably organic or from your own garden. The better the tomato, the stronger your new plants. Now here's the secret. Instead of removing seeds, slice your tomato into thin sections, about ½ inch thick. Lay these slices flat on nutrient-rich soil, and cover them lightly with another thin layer of soil. Step 3. Water and wait. Water them well, keep the soil moist, and place the pot in a warm, sunny spot. In just a few days, something incredible happens. Boom! Dozens of seedlings will sprout from each slice, giving you a whole batch of new plants from just one tomato. Step 4. Transplanting for maximum growth. Once they're a few inches tall, carefully separate the strongest ones and transplant them into bigger pots or your garden. With regular watering and sunlight, these will grow into full, healthy tomato plants. And just like that, you have an endless supply of homegrown tomatoes without buying a single seedling. This method is so easy yet hardly anyone knows about it. Have you ever tried this before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening hacks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.